And bakbakan sa rebound, matatawagan ng mga puti. That's Cedric Manzano with the push.
Major force. Rebound-wise, itong si Chris Durker. Over 10 rebounds in this game easily. Tsaka no-nonsense maglaro, ano? Baragan lang sa ilalim.
Saka doesn't even react, just goes about his business. Di tumitingin sa referee, humingi ng foul.
At this is fourth Southeast Asian Games competition already.
Nguyen goes to Tran. Tran will take a long three. It misses the mark, but look at Nguyen trying to keep it alive. Then Jerker will track it down. Another possession for Vietnam. Tan Dinh missing the three, and finally Bolek gets it.
0-7 from the three ball. They've elected to take most of their shots
Oh, the
from
pass.
three-point territory here in quarter four. That's how well the Philippines have defended the driving lanes.
I think they need to take care of the ball. Every possession is precious at this juncture. 4 and 17 to go.
Part of the game that Robert Bolick is so good at.
Malone at the drive. Finger roll won't drop. Rebound taken by Vietnam once again. Tam Dinh will track it down. He'll drive. And he will miss. And he tapped it out of bounds, and the ball is bouncing the Philippines' way.
Another bullet dodge by the Philippines. One field goal, Vietnam. One field goal for the Philippines. In the last 5 minutes and 58 seconds of the fourth.
He was poised to tie the game. He was so sure of that off the glass. Did the right thing, but it
Tutukan na.
just didn't want to drop, coach.
Good for the Philippines.
But a basket, as we said, would be good. Wala namang 4-point shot sa Southeast Asian Games. Make it a
Pero
two-possession game.
4-point bonus play on
Oh,
three-point
okay.
conversion.
Stay away from that.
Yes.
Bolek, the three. Good
There you go.
for Berto Bolek. Probably the biggest shot of the game thus far.
2 field goals, equivalent to 6 points for Robert Bolick here in the fourth and final quarter. That score has stood at 64-62 for at least in the last 3 minutes. 5-point lead for the Philippines. This much time remaining.
The Apple A19 Pro chip is vapor cooled because when you run cool, you can push your limits and juggle complex tasks at the same time. Imagine if you were that powerful.
Three minutes and 44 seconds na lang ang nalalabi. And it's a 5-point lead for Gilas Pilipinas. You may say, ang lead naman ng lamang. The way things have gone, malaki-laki na yan, coach.
Importante lamang. That's all that counts. Make it to the semis with the victory here against the hard-fighting team from Vietnam. Still a long way to go. But the defense of the Philippines have contained Vietnam to only 2 points scored so far. No field goal, just 2 free throws, while the Philippines have knocked in 2 3-point conversions, all coming from Robert Bolick.
Looking for the defensive stop ang Gilas Pilipinas. Tam Dinh, down to Jerker. He's been the big guy para sa kanila. He'll attack. And his layup falls short. It was right there.
The mere fact that Poy Aram was there to be in the middle as a good deterrent for that possible conversion of Chris Durker. Big defensive stop from Gilas Pilipinas.
Bolek now looking for some room. Poy Aram setting the screens. They go back to Poy. He's thinking about it. He'll take it. And he will make a three from the top of the key. What a shot. Poy Aram scoring the first 6 points of the Philippines. And then now, he hits a 3 and 8 in the fourth.
6-point run here for the Philippines coming from Bolick. And Poy Aram for an 8-point advantage.
Tipped out of bounds by Bolick. Trying to convince the referee na si Durker ang huling nakatapik, but it will stay with Vietnam.
So Robert Bolick has scored or assisted in the last, or in the 8 points, in the 10 points. 9 points of the Philippines here in the fourth and final.
Justin Young inbounds to Tran. Bolick is on top of it. He'll drive, get some contact, and get the whistle.
That was a backbreaker coming from Poy Aram.
Asking for free throws, the referees are conferring. Seemed he was on the approach still. Oh, 2 shots.
Wow.
Is the announcement. And Bolick can't believe it.
Still no field goal here for Vietnam. Only 2 free throws so far here for the red shirts. Courtesy of Tran was also at the free throw line at this stage. Steady from the line.
Relax na relax lang. Itong si Dan Quatran.
Indeed, you just cannot overemphasize the value of a 3-point basket in international basketball.
Second one decides to drop in. Animan lamang ng Gilas Pilipinas. 2 minutes and 40 to go. Still a lot of time in basketball. Itong 2 minutes and 30. Bolick. The swing to Malonzo. He approaches, decides to retreat. 3 to shoot. Jamie. Stop and pop. Jumper. It's a miss. Jerker another rebound. He'll take it across. Here's Nguyen. Now with Tran. Gotta watch those cutters. Open for the side is Durker. He'll take a 3. That's way off. Offensive rebound. Bintis mula kay Justin Young.
All of their layups have not dropped in here in the fourth and final quarter.
They had their chances, coach.
Yes.
Ang dami nun. Ang daming tutukan na nga. At ulit nun. A guy like Justin Young, you'd think he would make that type of shot, but he hurriedly took it. And it paid off for the Philippines. Ito na si Parks. Nice up fake. Jumper mid-range. Matthew Wright, bitin. Malone's on the board.
That's a big
Putback
one.
is good. And Jamie's been working hard underneath.
Indeed. No 3-point conversion for Vietnam in the quarter. No field goals for Vietnam as well here in the final period. That's how well the Philippines has defended them, and also pressure also catching up with them in terms of trying to make those inside
When
attempts.
you were looking earlier, coach, for that 1 quarter where the Philippines would hold its
The
opponent
defensive
down.
dragnet, yes.
So this seems to be it so far.
4 points in the quarter for Vietnam, all coming from the free throw line.
Jerker will drive. Lose it momentarily. He's able to recover. Good hands. Win from 3.
No!
Nakapasok pa ng isa yung big man. And that's a big shot. Cuts it down to just 5.
They've missed at least 9 3-point attempts in the quarter. Suddenly, it's one from top of key.
Philippines must be methodical in its approach dito sa last few plays. Down to 10 on the shot clock. Ray Park, he's fouled. Vauban committing that one on the reach-in.
Two possession edge here for the Philippines with 64 seconds remaining. Reset 14 timeout here for the Philippines.
The Apple A19 Pro chip is vapor cooled because when you run cool, you can push your limits and juggle complex tasks at the same time. Imagine if we were that powerful.
A minute and change remaining in this second game ng Gilas Pilipinas in the Southeast Asian Games 2025.
For a ticket to the semis.
May bayan in the next round. Ano? Parang maglalaban.
Hindi ka nadadaan sa quarterfinals. So,
The third and fourth rank will challenge each other, I think. Diba? Yung 1 and 2 papasok na agad. Gano'n ba yun?
one lang.
1 lang.
Oo.
One lang.
Dagdag pagod, matinding pressure, sobrang hirap. Whereas kung tatawid ka ron, makakapaganda ka,
2-day
makakapahinga
break
ka.
ka pa. 2-day break.
Yes. So, allocated for practice, video, and of course, time to heal for the players.
Yes, konti pa nga.
Napakahalaga.
They get it in bounds. Matthew Wright. Ray Parks. Oh! Pangsara na sana yun. Pero decided to pop out. Nice play diagram in that timeout. But
And dumobol team kasi biglang Vietnam.
Jerker. Timed in for 3. That's off target.
He's been called for the entire game. That's a critical defensive stuff for the Philippines.
Can they put it away as Jamie will attack? The layup will not drop. And he's looking for a foul. He felt he was hit.
Whistle was blown.
But meron ng pito. A bit late it came, but it did.
Kung titignan mo, the Red Shirts stopped playing after they missed a 3-ball.
Yeah. But they hung around and gave the Philippines quite a bit of a scare. It's not over yet, though. 32.3.
Started the quarter 61-60. Philippines up by 1. Only 6 points in the quarter for Vietnam. 1 3-point basket. Or 7 points for Vietnam here in the quarter. 1 3-point basket and 4 free throws.
Jamie Malonzo puts in this free throw. He's been a big part of why the Philippines gained the upper hand.
First it was Matthew Wright to the rescue. And then it was Berto Bonic and Poy Eram joining forces with Ray Parks. There you go.
Malonzo switches the 2. Brings the lead up to 7. And Vietnam calls a halt to the action, trying to come up with something in the end game.
Napakalaking bagay na kahit nawala yung 55-48 na kalamangan ng Pilipinas sa halos dulo ng third quarter, bago matapos yung third quarter hanggang matapos yung third, nakuha natin yung kalamangan at 61-60.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
So only 32.3 remaining. Gilas looks on its way to getting its second straight victories men's competitions ng 5-on-5 basketball. But coach, lots of scary moments in this game.
The learning curve will be there for the Gilas unit. The only important thing right now is you make it to the semis outright and then take it from there.
But you were mentioning earlier, coach, that the opponents of Gilas Pilipinas in the region,
Have gotten
they're
better.
not the pushovers they used to be.
No more.
Both hands.
Short.
And what's going to happen? Pushed out of bounds because the Ray Parks, are they going to call it?
Against
On
Vietnam.
Vietnam, yes.
Right.
And you know, the FIBA referees have a tendency to think about the call, make sure before they blow their
Yes.
whistles. Nagagalit ang mga Pinoy, bakit late ang whistle? Pero better to get it right, di ba?
Ganyan talaga. Oo. At wag mo silang angalan dahil tutusukin ka.
Oh yeah, wala. Matitiap ka right away. So there's a different level of respect you have to give these referees in the international competitions. That's a foul in the backcourt. Tran fouling Bolick. Sends him to the line.
Big baskets by Robert Bolick here in the fourth and final quarter. 3-point shots, extra passes. Poy Aram also had a big one to lift the Philippines out of harm's
Ang
way.
laki nun, coach. Okay,
Napaka-
Poy Aram.
Oo.
They let him take the three. They dared the center.
And meron si Poy Aram yan. One of the best finishers, Philippine basketball. One of the top ball screen players. One of the best closers that we have in the professional league, in the PBA at present.
That's right. That's Robert Bolick.
Eight in the quarter for Robert Bolick. That's 8 of the 15 fourth quarter points for the Philippines.
Play some defense for the next 22 seconds and Philippines will be done. That's off the foot of Tran. The harassment paid off at tumama sa kanyang paa. Balik ang bola sa Pilipinas, which will get victory number 2, coach.
Right. And in the end, it boiled down to, of course, the defensive effort and energy for the Philippines and making the biggest shots of this matchup.
Gusto pa nila i-foul si Bolick reaching
Sige na.
out was Tran and Bolick is okay. I'll go to the line, no problem. Nagdidelay lang ng konti yung hot shower and a bit of rest, but ayos lang.
About a 20-minute drive from Nimimbut Stadium all the way to the hotel.
But lots to talk about, coach. Moving forward, tougher competition will be in front of Gilas Pilipinas in the next round. And obviously, there's a lot of things to polish.
They will have 2 days to be able to prepare for semifinals.
Nice smiles from the Gilas Pilipinas fans, the Pinays and the Pinoys watching.
Mag-aabang yan sigurado
Siyempre.
sa exit park.
Yung 20 minutes na sabi mo, mga 1 hour pa yan kasi magbibihis pa sila.
Yeah.
Tapos
Post-game pa si Coach. Post-game pa si Coach. Oo. This was a 64-62 scoreline for about 5 minutes. No? Up and down. Missed shots.
Hindi na yata titira. Nag-instructor sa ba si coach? Hindi na, okay na yan. So Philippines survives. I'll say survive. Vietnam 78-67. Nice fourth quarter kick from Gilas Pilipinas. Big shots when they needed to pull away at the end to win by double digits, coach.
To the rescue. Matthew Wright, Robert Bolick, Ray Parks, Poy Aram, even Jamie Malonzo for that matter. Collective effort for Coach Norman and the rest of the Gilas team. Job well done, straight to the semis, on to the next.
That's right, 78-67. So you mentioned it, coach.